All right, hello everybody. I'm going to show you what activity I'd like you to do for our first Virtual Friday. So what you need to do this activity is a piece of paper, preferably like printer paper like I've got here, and that should be 8.5 by 11 is the normal size of a piece of paper. You're going to need a scissors, you're going to need a ruler. Okay, and what you're going to do is make a box with no lid. Okay, one of the biggest uses of calculus and one of the important applications we're going to learn this year is finding the optimum conditions to make something, optimum conditions in a situation. Okay, so we're going to see if we can make the best box possible. The best box would be the one that can hold the most stuff. So that would be the most volume. Okay, so you're trying to make something, basically, see my big bin full of paper, something that looks like that, okay, but it's just going to be made out of paper. It's like a bin with no lid, okay? So to do that, you're just going to pick a measurement. So I'll just pick 1 inch. So don't pick 1 inch, okay? And you're going to measure 1 inch on each corner. Okay, so I'm just going to do that real quick. Okay, so I went ahead and just measured off 1 inch and made a square 1 inch around. So don't pick 1 inch, you pick a different measurement, okay, whatever you think would be the best. And what then you're going to do is cut out these squares. Okay, so I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut out these squares. All right. Okay, so once I cut out the squares, you know, it looks like this. So I measured them off. I cut out the squares. Now I'm going to fold this object to make it be the shape that I wanted. This tray with no lid. So I'm going to fold it right along the line here, there, and there, and there. Okay, so I'm just going to fold this up like so. Okay, so I folded up those edges and I made this little tray here, this box with no lid. You might want to tape the ends just to make them more sturdy if you want to. Okay, and what you want to do at this point then is determine the volume of your box. Okay, so I would measure all 3 dimensions and figure out the measurement of my box. So what I want you to do is to build this, okay, take a picture of this, the thing that you built, okay, the box that you built, and what you want to need to submit to me is your measurement that you initially cut off, okay, mine was 1 inch. Don't pick 1 inch, pick something else, okay, and then submit to me the volume of what you created, accurate to 3 decimal places, of course. Okay, and then, so that's your assignment. Your goal is to have the best box in the whole class. So whoever has the best volume, the most volume, will give a little extra credit point to. And then if you could, as additional extra credit, if you could figure out the algebraic way to determine what the optimum size would be to cut the square off ahead of time and then do that, that's even better. Okay, but at a minimum, I need to see a picture of your box and the measurement you used to cut each square, and then the final volume that you created your box to be. Calculate that as well. Okay, that'll do it. Have a good day.